we are going to do an exercise. So as we were talking about the articles, we talked about how you can find general ideas within background articles to help you think of more specific arguments, right? Like for example, the first article in the packet, there is all of that information about how much it costs to do this approval process for GMOs. So we can use that information to kind of help us brainstorm more and more ideas about arguments. So what we're going to do is we're going to put you in your groups that you were in yesterday. So U4, U3, and U4. And we are going to give you a topic. I want you to think about all the ideas that you could possibly use in a debate about this topic and write them down on a piece of paper. Okay? When you can't think of any more ideas, pass your piece of paper to another group. When you as another group gets that piece of paper from the other group, write down the ideas that you think of there. Look and see what they've written down. Maybe that will make you think of something. So this is just a brainstorming exercise, okay? So for your topic is school uniforms in the universities. Should we have them? Should we not? What are things that you think of when you hear this topic? So with your groups, talk about some ideas, jot them down, and when you can't think of any more ideas between your group members, pass your piece of paper to another group.
So let's talk about what arguments, what ideas did you come up with? So someone is very popular. Who would like to go first? Let's start with what were some of the in favor of having school uniforms. Why would school uniforms in universities be good? What are some of the arguments you made?
We can save time to choose what we will wear.
Yes.
Pretty good.
You can sleep in later. Just throw it on and go. I was a big proponent of that idea. Yes.
Students in university can feel a sense of unity and begin to like the university.
Yes, that would be great. Yeah, that we start to feel as if everyone's part of the same group. That's a great one. I didn't think of that. So good job.
Good. How about you all?
You don't feel any conflict because all students will wear same clothes.
Yeah, that's a great one too. That you wouldn't stand out, so you wouldn't have to. Does this match? I'm really bad with colors. I always have someone tell me if I match. Being here, we're hoping I match. So yeah, I wouldn't have to think about that if I in the morning. It'd be awesome.
Very good. What other ideas did you see about school uniforms being a good idea?
It can create jobs because after plan some manufacturer would produce school uniform, so it can create jobs.
Yes.
Excellent. Good.
Very good.
Any other ideas for why school uniforms are good?
Yes.
Yeah.
Our team
You should say
if member do good things, the other member can be rewarded because of he wears the uniform.
Okay. See if I'm following you.
If someone in our school do good thing, maybe other people think, oh, you are.
Yes, yeah, that's a great argument. Yes. So if Jake and I had to wear uniforms, and we wore uniforms while teaching you here, and say it got on the TV, people would know that just by looking at what we wear, where we're from. And so when you do good things, it would be easily tied back to your university. Yeah, great.
Vice versa. If someone do bad things, maybe we get bad expectation.
Yeah, that is the downside, isn't it? So yeah, that's how that can be good and bad, so the affirmative and negative.
Very good.
Also equality. I mean, usually children want to show off among each other, so it will be like equality and you show your social class.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, to which class you belong. So it will be like some equality. And our team also has the point like discipline, and economy. You wouldn't spend a lot of money and time on your choosing of your clothes, and you wouldn't spend the money and save time. Sense of unity, because we are united to the whole group. And also, as my partner told, like advertise that if you are doing the good thing, then you are advertising your school.
And then we will talk about the bad side of school uniforms, okay?